Hey guys, it's Kayla. If you noticed anything different about me. So we're not doing 24 hours handcuffed, but I'm not going to be here for 24 hours, but we're going to try and see how long it takes us to be handcuffed. So
now
I'm hungry, so I'm going to go get something to eat.
Oh God, now I gotta walk where?
Goodness. We're going to go get something to eat. I'm hungry. Okay, just turn on the light. It's bright again. What should we eat, Catherine? I don't feel like making this macaroni though.
Yeah, I don't either.
I had some ramen, but I ate it all. Oh God. Okay. Just sweet. What should I eat? Oh, there's nothing to eat.
I know.
Well, there's stuff to eat, but I just don't want it.
Yeah.
You know that when they guys like you want something to you hungry?
Like when you want something.
Yeah,
to eat,
like when you want something to eat, but they don't have it. Exactly. Grandma, can we make this macaroni? Can we make this macaroni? Okay, I'm making macaroni, guys. Huh? Yeah? Yep. It's on the stove. What? Okay, I got this. I cook on the stove all the time.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I'm sitting in this chair, so you just have that. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try macaroni handcuffs. Yeah. Okay,
We're gonna see how this works out. We already fall.
Okay. How big a bowl do you think we need? Well, we need a pot. We need a pot. So. That's too big. Here's one. That's too big. We got this little pot.
Yeah. Looks like it's
Can you move that?
medium.
That's chicken from last night's dinner. Just put it right there. It's just chicken. Okay. This is actually not as hard as you actually think it is. I don't want to put my phone on the stove though. Okay, yeah, she just got one for me. Here, I got you.
I'm sorry.
That might work. Here. Let's try it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Ouch. Wait, give me a phone. Okay, the box. Ugh.
Can you see us? Okay.
Okay, so what do I need first? I need to. What's that blue water? How much? 6 cups of water. Goodness gracious, this little pan is not enough.
Exactly. We'll be right back. Down that speed.
I got a pan. 6 cups of water. See? 6 cups, because it says 1.
No. It says
6 cups of
1.5 quart.
6 cups. This is not big enough?
Half the time I'm not even good with measurements, especially eyeballs.
Because 6 cups of water.
I thought that was too big. Whatever. Where's the measuring cup? Here's a cup.
More.
Okay.
Alright, maybe.
What is this?
What? The chicken. Okay, we need to bring the pan. Hold this.
Okay.
Bring the pan over here and then fill that up.
Now,
That's soap.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so that's 1 cup. 1. Another. 5 more to go. 2. Macaroni takes a while to make. 3. 4.
Okay, 1 more.
5. One more. 6. Okay, we have 6 cups of water. Okay, this is gonna be. Oh, I did it! I did it! Okay, now what? Oh, we need to boil this water. Now we wait for it to boil.
You need to take your coat off. Wash your hands. Leave water, you wash your hands.
Okay. Then I have to like do that shower. Ooh, almost got it. Almost got it.
Oh,
This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work, guys. Look at it. We kind of stuck. Right here, see, look.
Oh, hold on.
We're stuck.
We'll be back. Let's go fix this.
Oh, wait, stop. Wait, come back. We're doing a challenge. See how long we can stay handcuffed? And you just said to take off my jacket.
What unbuckle?
This one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, and then pull it. Pull it.
Wait a minute.
Okay, that makes that.
Did you make sense?
Dang, that chicken is kind of. I'm stuck. I'm still stuck. Ah!
I'm sorry.
Okay, we made it.
Ooh, this is really hard.
We got it. We did it. Okay, now let's go hang up my jacket. Okay, we just wait for that to boil. Grandma, tell us when it's boiled.
No, you sit and watch.
Fine. We'll just sit here and watch. Okay, so it says boil the macaroni in the water. So once the water boils, we have to add the macaroni until it's cooked. Then we have to drain it. Do not rinse. And then add the cheese mix. And then it makes about 3 servings. So I get one, you get one, and whoever else wants the last one can have one. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock,
Wait. Oh, okay.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Haha.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I thought you were gonna make paper because it was kind of going like in
Nope.
in a pattern, like
Nope.
scissors, rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it.
Got you that
I
time.
just thought you were gonna say rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
I win. Okay, now what do we do? I'm bored. Okay. I don't like when I don't want these to be like 14 minutes long. Or like 20, like 50 or something, like an hour. Because I feel like this stuff is gonna. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. It says 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna stop the video right here because this is taking too long. I'll make another part, but this is taking too long. So
Yeah,
once the
so-
macaroni is cooked,
We'll come back.
yeah, okay, bye.